Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. You will also need a replacement motor specifically designed for the Dyson DC29. Before starting, make sure your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any accidents. First, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the top cover of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws located around the perimeter of the cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips. With the cover removed, you will see the motor assembly. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris that may have accumulated. A clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. Now locate the screws that hold the motor in place. These are usually situated at the base of the motor housing. Using your spanner, carefully unscrew these bolts. Remember to keep track of each screw and bolt as you remove them. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation before proceeding. With the screws removed, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Be cautious of any wires connected to the motor. You may need to disconnect these by gently pulling on the connectors. If you're unsure about handling electrical components, consider our collection and delivery at your home service, which can save you the hassle of transporting your vacuum. Now, take your new motor and carefully place it into the housing. Ensure that all connectors are securely attached and that the motor is seated properly. Once in place, reattach the screws you previously removed to secure the motor. It's crucial to ensure that everything is tightened adequately to prevent any rattling or movement during operation. Next, replace the top cover of the vacuum. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws around the perimeter of the cover. Make sure each screw is tightened firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. After securing the cover, it's time to reattach the dust canister. Simply align it with the base and press down until you hear a click. This indicates that it is locked in place. Before testing your vacuum, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the exterior to ensure optimal performance. Finally, plug in your Dyson DC29 and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for proper suction. If everything seems to be functioning well, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson DC29. If you encounter any issues or if this seems too tricky, remember we offer a quote before repair service, ensuring you know the costs up front without any hidden fees. No calls, no travel, just a straightforward solution to your vacuum problems. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.